Good morning. Can everybody hear me? Can you guys see and hear me okay? Let's see.
Sophia, I love it.
Okay. Okay, so I don't know what was going on with my YouTube live today. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. How is everybody today? I am quite tired, quite tired. So when we have 200, we will get started. We're at 129. Sorry. Took some small shorts today. Okay. Yesterday was a bumpy week. Bumpy day, I mean. So I held my buys from yesterday and I ended up getting stopped out. Yeah, see, price came all the way down to 2020 before pushing all the way up, which is so crazy. Either way, this trade would have took several hours. It would have taken several hours. I would have had to hold it overnight for sure. Nah, I would have got out last night at midnight. I would have got out around here for sure. Yeah. Where was my entry yesterday? Entry was 2025. So my entry was around here, 2025. Yeah, entry was here. We were in this much profit. Then price took me out at break even. Where was my stop loss? My stop loss was at 2021. So it took me out right there. Took me out a couple pips away. Yeah, if I would have put my stop loss a little bit lower, I would have been able to stay in this position. Eventually went bullish, but it took forever. Yesterday after we ended the stream, it actually did push a little bit. And that's when I put stops at break even. And then I looked at my computer a little while later and I was stopped out. And then as we can see, last night's Asian session, we started pushing back up. And then London session this morning, we pushed up again. So yeah, but it's okay. I don't really mind it because, you know, I'm a scalper anyway. Usually when I hold my positions, like if I hold my positions 10 times, only maybe 2 of them ever really play out perfect. Those are the times I have, you know, big days and I let runners run and stuff like that. But for the most part, it doesn't really play out like that for me. That's why I could never be a swing trader or long-term intraday, because you gotta hold your moves for forever. You are muted. You guys can't hear me? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Are you kidding me right now? Can you guys hear me? I don't think I'm muted. Somebody would have said I'm muted a while ago. She's not muted. Okay. Damn. Guys, make sure your sound is working on your end before you say something to me. Come on. Okay, everybody hears me. Jesus, come on, man. Thank you, thank you. Okay, you can hear me. Okay, so whoever can hear me, that's on your end. Yay, yay. All right, we got 295. All right, let's get started here. Let's go to the daily here. So as you guys can see on the daily time frame, yesterday there was no volume. Okay, look at this daily candle. Look at this one. Look at today's daily so far. Today's daily candle already is ate up yesterday's daily candle. So yesterday was just a trash day because there's no volume, and today there's a little bit of volume in the markets today. All right, so let's see here. Let me mark off my daily highs and my daily lows. Oops. Okay. So I like how structure is moving. I did see gold going bullish. It is moving bullish. It just was crappy on Monday. So here we have a nice support turn. Resistance turn support right here, which is beautiful. We have multiple taps of this area. Price just recently broke that high, broke this high here. So I'm expecting price to make a higher high to continue up. So let's continue down here. Yeah. Oh, damn. It looks a lot cleaner on the 30-minute. Did I even look at the 30-minute yesterday? I don't think so. I don't think I did. But that's okay. Okay. So based off structure here, guys, off of gold. That's what I'm looking for. This is what I'm seeing on gold today. Now, gold has broken above this high here. It could come back and retest it, but I would love for it to retest that low, honestly. I really would, because, yeah, right around this area here would be great for gold to come back and to retest and then potentially break bullish. Let me swing down to the 5. Yeah, you see, look at this on the 5-minute. Beautiful. 5-minute, we're holding right here. We broke, retested, we broke, we're retesting. Definitely, we're probably going to come down here. And it's 7:55. It's about to be 8 o'clock. Now, the market is overall bullish, so sells are risky, right? Sells are risky, but look at all this rejection that we have up here for the sells, right? This is probably 1 to 2. 10 pip stop, 20 pip TP, something like that for the sells. So we have potential for the sells and we have potential for the buys as well. Because price is at a high on all time frames, I'd probably want to look for a sell, because look at this big move here. We made a big move here, and I would like to see gold retrace to correct this move at some point. And a lot of times gold likes to retest hard here. So oh, I just got a headache. Oh, gotta take an aspirin. Got to take an aspirin. Let me see. I think the sells are going to play out nice over here. This is a good setup here. Let's see here. I think this is going to come down to retest this low here. Question is, are we going to come down to retest any of these lows? I would like to see that for sure, for sure. Oh. Let me open up. Okay. And supposedly we don't have any news today, so that's a good thing. So remember, guys, when gold had made that drop and then it pushed back up really hard, and I didn't take that sell because I told you guys that's not the setup that I like. Like, for instance, well, this is not a good example. This is a good example right here. Like a move like this, I'm not taking, right? One push down, one push right on back up. Let me make sure you guys can see because I moved the camera around. I better not get no questions talking about where's your TP, where's this, where's that, because I moved the camera. I moved my face on the camera. But this right here is what I like to see. We have a push down and look at all this rejection before we went back up, right? It's a lot more confirmation that the market is failing to make new lows, and now it's probably going to come back up to retrace. Even when it came back down to this area here, it didn't break these lows. It pushed all the way back up and off we went. Okay, so that's what I meant yesterday. That's why. So if this setup had taken place, I'd be more inclined to take it. This one, no, I just don't trust this very low confirmation setup. All right, so are you in gold sell? Yeah, I took some sells on gold here. It's risky, but I took it anyway because this is my setup, you know, multiple rejections, a drop, retest. I'm just waiting for some volume, 8 o'clock to kick in, and we should get some volume. And I'm only gonna take it to around this area. It's not a big trade. It's a quick trade. I just don't know if price is gonna break below here to continue down, or if it's gonna come back and reach retest and then push back up. It's risky because it's a sell in a bullish market. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed because it's a risky trade. But we'll see. We'll see what the market gives us here. Can we look at US30? Sure. You guys are impatient when I'm looking at certain stuff. You guys are like, I'll be looking at a pair and you'll just say, can we look at this? Can we look at that? Can you let me look first? Can I do an analysis first and then we can look at your pair? Come on, guys. You guys know gold is number one on the list, right? Gold is always number one. You know what I'm saying? Very nice structure here. Now the question is, are we going to push up or down? Have nice retracement here, kind of here. It went further up or down, retrace, down, up, retrace. So could we go back bullish? that is a possibility. Yesterday's daily. Wow, look at this was Friday. What did we have? Oh yeah. Friday was NFP, but we didn't even. It didn't even move much NFP. That's weird. So, so yesterday was a crap day all around. Gold crappy day on the daily. US30 was a crappy day on the daily, and today it's forming a really nice body. It did not create a top wick though, which is a little bit concerning, which means there's a lot of bearish pressure, and it's already easy to tell because look at the size of this body of this candle already. So the sells continuations might be in play here, guys. Potential see the sells continuing down here. We have a nice little double top. We have a really nice retracement here for, this looks a little bit over 61. Yep, right at the 61%. And yeah, I see sells on US30 right now. Something like this for US30. I think US30 is going to come down. We're going to come down and retest this bullish break here. And yeah, probably going to come down. Let's see here. So it started moving at 1 o'clock in the morning. So London session, it started breaking down. So yeah, I think US30 is going to continue bearish here. Wow. We just need some volume open, something here to push price, but this is gonna push. Yeah, so I'm looking for sells on US30. I don't even want to talk about Golden State right now because I went to bed a unhappy camper last night. Very unhappy camper. So disappointed in those guys, man. Just, oh my God. They're going to lose and LeBron James is going to win another championship at his old ass age. Oh, it's disgusting. AU has rejected this level 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times we rejected this area. And we could not break to make a higher high. So guess what? We're probably going to come down. Yeah. And then support. Every time we even retested this break here. Yeah, and this needs a retest as well. So I think AU is bearish. And we have a really nice support. Let me see. Down here. And this is going to be for, what was it? Okay. Let's swing on down. 48 pips. Come on down. Okay. All right. Seeing sells all across the board. What are we doing, gold? Gold, playing around before we come here. Let's see. Are we going to make a higher high? I mean, we do have to retrace, but we are pretty close to this low here, so we'll be patient. We'll be patient with this setup. But this was a risky trade, guys. Very risky trade. So hopefully we have some more volume today. I'm really hoping we have more volume. If we don't have a lot of volume today, I don't know. I don't know. Oh. Thank you for what you do. Thank you guys for being on. Thank you. We only started like 20 minutes ago and we have a good amount of people watching. Lakers in 6. Yeah, you're probably right. Yeah, I think the Lakers are going to go close them out at home. I think it's over. It's over. They're not going to beat LeBron 3 times in a row. It's over. Especially with the way they play. I'm sorry. It's not happening. It is not happening. The call yesterday was good. It just lacked volume. Could UK bank holiday have affected? It sounds that way. It was a good setup. Obviously it played out. We just didn't have any volume. You know, you could have the best setup sometimes and it just doesn't work out because, you know, other factors are not, you know, playing their part. So it's just remember, guys, the same trades that you win on are going to be the same trades you lose on. It's all the same stuff. When I come to the markets every morning, guys, I'm looking for the same stuff. If I see my setup, I take it. If I don't see it, I don't. But at the end of the day, you're looking for the exact same setup, or at least you should be. You shouldn't be coming to the market and taking different types of setup every day. Okay, that's gonna throw off your consistency. It's gonna throw off your consistency because now it's like what's your plan every day? You know, you wake up in the morning, come to the charts, and you should have a plan for what you want to see based on what the markets are giving you, right? Depends on the pair you trade, the session that you trade. You have to know where you are in the market and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So it's consistency should be the goal. That's it. Finding consistency is finding your favorite setups, finding your favorite session, trading a pair that you're comfortable with. And by comfortability, I mean that moves the kind of way you like it to move, that maybe the spreads are a lot lower than other pairs, all that kind of stuff. You know, you want to pick a pair that matches your personality, that matches you, that works with your schedule, you know, things like that. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I mean by that. Okay. I'm starting my birthday with my trading fam. Happy birthday. Yeah. Please, are you in a sell on gold? I already said that I was. I already said that. And those of you that are asking me that question, that only tells me that you're asking that because you're just blindly taking trades that I take. before you guys take a trade that you see me take, you have to ask yourself, is this a trade I would take as well? If you are here to let's say you're a beginner, or you're trying to, get your bearings together, trying to really understand this, please do not trade. Do not take the trades that I take. Don't. Just sit and watch and learn and take notes. But don't trade, because you don't understand why I'm taking the trade. Even if I explain it, sometimes you may not understand. So if you don't understand what we're doing here, then don't trade. Don't. I know a lot of you, we win a lot more than we lose on here. So a lot of people are coming on here just waiting for me to take a trade for you to take it too. But that's not the whole point of these live sessions. It's for you for you guys to learn from what I'm doing, so you can do it yourself one day. And you're not going to learn everything I do from live. Obviously, you definitely want to get my course or invest in something in mentorship with me, so you can really understand what I'm doing. But this is just a little bit of an insight of me and how I trade and how my psychology works and all that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? So I gotta kick this person out. Hold on, guys. Threw off my train of thought. Yeah, so you want to come here, guys, like, be prepared to learn. Okay, don't just come and say, are you in this trade, Charlene? Did she take a trade yet, guys? That means you don't care about the analysis, you don't care about nothing, you just want to know if I'm in a trade. That can't be, it can't be your main motivation, guys. Your main goal sometimes is to watch and learn. And I always bring it back to Raja, right? Because that's who I used to watch his live streams. There were times where he would take trades and I wouldn't take them, because I'm like, I see something different. And sometimes he won the trade, which is fine. But I was okay with it, because that's not what I saw, right? I wanted to get comfortable with my own trading, with my own analysis. So if one day he falls off the face of the earth, I can be self-sufficient and I can take care of myself, and I can find my own setups based on what I was taught from him. You know what I mean? So that's why, that's what I want for you guys. I want for you guys to be self-sufficient. Okay. So before you come to the chart, so you're looking at this and you say, is Charlene in this trade? Look at the setup. Ask yourself, is this a setup that Charlene would take? Because that would answer your question by itself. I just explained to you guys the kind of setups that I don't like and the kind of setups that I do like. Yesterday, we saw a gold setup, which I called the analysis right, but I didn't take the entry because I wasn't comfortable with the setup, right? So if you watch my streams long enough, then you should have a good idea of what I'll take and what I won't take. You know what I'm saying? And then you don't have to ask, hey, Charlene, are you in this trade? Because most of the time, you'll already know. You will already know. You know? And if I don't, if I see a setup that I do like and I don't take it, I'll tell you guys why I'm not going to take it. Okay? Because it's not just about knowing when to trade and when not to trade. Sometimes you could see your setup, but there's other factors that can affect the outcome of the trade. You know what I mean? I don't know what gold is doing right now. There's a lot of up and down movement here. It's giving me news vibes. I don't see any news coming out. I hope we don't get smacked with any news. But all of this choppy up and down movement is giving me pause right now. Because I'm sitting right at, what is this, 3 pips drawdown, 2-3 pips drawdown, which is not bad, but it's struggling to move up and it's struggling to move down. So we just need like let me see, we need a nice break right here. I need a candle closure here. If we can get a closure there, then we're good. We're gonna be good to go to come down a little more here. So it's trying to come down. It's just struggling. It's trying to come down. Okay. This 5-minute candle still has 2 minutes in it. I don't know if it's just gonna melt or if it's gonna reject back up. We need a candle to close. The fact that it's sitting here is not enough. I need it to close down, there. So let's see if we can get a closure. FOMC member speaks at 8:30. I saw that, but it's not a red folder. So let's hope that we don't get switched up on that. But this is a risk. Like I said, it's a risky trade either way, guys, because gold is bullish right now. Gold is bullish. I'm just anticipating the retrace here. I'm not gonna hold these sells. I'm gonna get in and out. If it goes down to the TP, it would be great. But overall, it's bullish. So yeah, we are bullish on gold. So I'm not surprised that the sells are struggling, because overall we're bullish, but we're still due for a retracement. This right here is not enough of a retracement here. This is nothing right here. And this is a 5-minute time frame. This is very small. So we need a closure down here. We need price to come here and close. So I need gold to just spike down here for me, and we're good to go. Giving news vibes right now. Gold, giving news vibes. That's what you're doing. I'm not holding gold sells. I just closed out. Small profit, but I closed out because I can't hold the sells. The market is bullish. I don't want to hold sells. It really struggled up here. We did finally start pushing, but all this rejection down here, this shouldn't happen. This should just come down, especially after it finally broke below this area here. This rejection here is telling me that we're struggling to come down further, and we're probably going to push up back up eventually here. Yeah, see this? This is a nice low here, right at this area here. This resistance turns support. This area right here. So this is not a bad low for price to potentially make a higher high. So I'm not going to play with that area there. Not playing with sells today. We will see what price wants to do. Small profit, but not enough for me. So I definitely will be looking for the opposite. So if gold stays above this area, I'm going to look for the buy continuations to create a higher high. If price breaks below this area here, I'm going to be looking for the sells to come down to retest these areas here, because this area hasn't been tested yet. So that's what I'm looking for on gold. So we will see how price reacts here. It's going to be 8:30. It's pretty soon. So let's see. So this is a very telling area here. Very telling. Hit TP on gold. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Coming down nicely here. Let's see what price does in this area here. How many pips was this? About 33 pips. Not bad. I'm gonna keep my eye on gold, guys, because this is the mark. This is the move I want to take today on gold. I'm not too confident on US30 setups until I see something pull back, and then potentially, and then AU is moving very slow right now. So gold is the play role. And look at that rejection. Wow. See what I said, guys? This is a very telling area. I have to see what gold does here. So I'm really hoping it doesn't just spike up and push. I'm really hoping that we get some rejection here, and then I can look to take the buy back on up. Let's go to the 15 minutes. So this is what I'm looking for on gold. Dude. I'm looking for gold to give me some rejection, give me a bullish closure here, and then bye-bye. So hey Charlene, your lives really help me with my entries. I am an intraday trader, but I use scalp entries. I have been making 100 pip days back to back every day for over a week now. FIP shit only. Let's go. Josiah, I'm proud of you, my guy. Keep up the great work. Keep up the great work. So I like that gold pushed below this area and pushed back up above it, leaving that long wick, because that indicates a lot of, you know, the sellers are not allowed down here. The buyers are pushing price back on up here, which is great. So once I see a rejection and a bullish close, then I'll look for some buys. But I'm going to wait for this structure to close. And then it's 8:30. We are very close to a new 9 a.m. candle on the 4-hour time frame. So that's why I want gold to close above this area, because if we close above this area, there's a high chance that we're going to continue on up and we're going to correct this move here, which is what we were looking for yesterday, but we didn't have enough volume for that to happen. So I would really like for gold to close above here so we can continue up. But if it comes back below this area and closes down here, then it's not ready yet. So we're just gonna have to wait. Patience is the name of the game. Okay. And that's why I said the sell the risky. That's why I closed out where I did, because if you hold yourselves now, you know what I'm saying, you would have been back up above and giving back profits and all that. You know what I mean? So you definitely when the trend is a certain type of way, guys, do not play with counter trend trades. Get your money and get out. Don't hold it, because the trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. Go with the trend. Follow the trend. Okay, okay. The trend is your friend. 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 Oh, I gotta kick somebody out. Put someone on timeout. Thank you so much. Felt like a lot of clarity. It's gonna be house back up from okay. If it didn't go, you should be good. Potential buy that 2023. Take what you can from the market. Yes. Does your gold analysis have any bearing on your AU outlook? By the way, thanks for all you do. The trend is your friend until it bends. Yeah, I like that. The trend is your friend until it bends. How do I purchase your course? It's in the link in the description box. Look at the description box, folks. You should always look at the description box when you're watching a video because you never know what information might be in there. The trend is your friend until it bends. Yes. 8:30. Okay. Do you use SMC? No. No and no. Finally, I caught a live. You're live. Been watching the video, but keep missing them. Come on, stop it. Stay still. Easy, hit your stop loss. I'm not in this trade, you knuckleheads. And if I was in this trade, it would be a sell because I was taking sells earlier. I'm about to start kicking people out. I'm not even going to answer you guys because you guys are just idiots. When you speak about Raja, are you referring to Raja Banks? Yes. Yes and yes. I see a bearish scenario. Well, we will see. Man killed, 2 women hurt at shooting at Gala nightclub in Miami Beach. Oh my God. All these shootings, ridiculous. All these shootings, golly. Enough already. Oh my God. I can't. If I hear about one more shooting, I'm gonna scream. What we doing, gold? Are we coming back down or what? You broke below this area. Could we come down to retest these lows, which is what I wanted us to do initially. So we're not staying above this area, guys, which is not so great news for us. Not great news. Just gotta wait. It looks like gold is rejecting and it's pushing down. Let me see something. Oh wow, I rejected right off the 61. Yeah, because it, damn, we rejected the 61. Yeah, I don't like setups like this. Just looks very bullish. I don't know. And I'm seeing sell confirmations, I'm seeing buy confirmations. This looks very bullish. Oh, yeah. Don't do this to me today, gold. Come on. Don't do this to me today. Oh. I may have to take sells. We may have to take sells today. I don't see the buys. If we don't break back above this area, the buys might play out here. Everything is pushing bearish. This is probably going to come down. Yeah. If we stay below this area, sells. If we go back above, buys. So we'll see which way gold wants to go. Stay, don't move. Stay just like this. It could wick. Yeah, it's just waiting at this point. We just have to wait and see what it wants to do. But I mean, the overall trend is bullish. The problem is that price is not, we don't know what it's going to do here. Rejected here and we broke. We broke and we're rejecting back. So we just have to wait for a definitive confirmation at this point. Either you're going to take impulsive sells and hope and pray it pushes down, or you're going to wait and see what it does. I prefer to wait and see because we're just not sure. And this is a very like precarious area right now because it can push up or it can push down. Gold can be very, what's the word? Like a bait and switch. Like it makes you think it's doing one thing and then it does the exact opposite. You know, it traps traders in one direction and then it pushes in the opposite, taking out stops and all that. So that's why it's very important to be patient with a pair like gold. You know, you want to wait for your definitive confirmations. That's it. So the issue that I'm having here is on the higher time frames, gold rejected off the 61 and it's indicating for a sell to go down. So, but the problem is the overall trend is bullish. And then on top of that, we have this important daily level here where you want price to stay above that to hold for the buys, or if it doesn't hold, it's going to go down for the sells. But you just don't know, because if we look closely here, you'll see that gold broke the daily low and it pushed down. Now it's breaking back. So which is it going to hold or not? We just don't know. So that's why it's important to wait so you can really know what's happening. You can't just, you know what I'm saying, like jump in. Oh, it's selling, let me just jump in. Because if you would have jumped in for sells here, you would have got smacked. You got smacked. You know what I'm saying? When it rejected, if you jumped in for the buys, you would have got smacked that way. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes it's just best to just wait. You feel like you're going to miss the move, but you're really not. You're really not. Okay? So, oof. You guys saw that? Look at that jerkiness. Gold is playing with people right now. Playing with people's accounts. Playing with people's emotions right now. Jesus Christ, gold. Yay, yay. What are we doing here? Gee, look at that strong bullish candle. Literally just flipped, breaking the previous low. I'm not touching gold right now. I am not touching gold right now. You animal, you. Ugh. The disrespect. Disrespect. What's the 4 hour looking like? The way how this 4 hour closes, guys, is going to be telling. The way it closes is going to be telling. So guess what? I'm going to wait for that. I'm going to wait. Hey, look at that pullback. Let's go. Give me a pullback right up inside here. US30, and then get yourself down. That's what I want to see. Pulling back nicely. Come on up here, because you are the next contestant on The Price is Right. Gold is about to go up. It better, because structure says bulls. Structure says bulls. I think that's probably what it is doing. It's probably trying to trap sellers into thinking the market is going to push down, and then it's probably just going to fly, which is what I'm hoping it does. Because the overall trend is bullish. You know what I'm saying? It's bullish. It does need to retrace, but who knows if the retracement is going to come now. You know what I mean? All this up and down movement, it's very telling. Ugh, this light is making my head hurt. Oof. Okay. But if we get a closure, if we get a nice like 30-minute closure above here, I wouldn't say an hour. An hour closure is a little bit risky. But if we get a nice closure above this area, I would look for the buy continuations. But if not, and price refuses to break the highs and stay down here, we're probably going to come down. But we just have to wait, because all this up and down movement is not it for me. It ain't it. Where's the chill music at? I'm tired of getting emails from YouTube about copyright. I got copyright yesterday, and I don't even know how. I look up songs that say copyright free on YouTube, and still, same thing. Same thing. Wow, we have 1,000 people watching right now. Insane. Insane. What's up, guys? Insane. Day for day, you messed up my name. Somebody chops up my name every day. It's not my name. That's not my name. That's not my name. That's not my name. Gold is coming down. It's coming down. I feel like I want to take a sell. I want to sell. But I'm going to wait. We're going to wait. Let me look at the higher time frames. Yeah, this is potentially coming down. Yeah, this is a very strong break. This is an hour so far. We have 17 minutes left in this candle. It could do a lot. I think this is going to come down. This is going to come down. Yeah. So this is like a 1 to 2, 20 pip stop for a 40 pip TP. About a 1 to 2. So let's analyze. Let's look at the daily. The daily has rejected. It retested the previous candle at 61%. Confirmation number 1. Confirmation number 2, we held below the daily low and price is rejecting. Even though we tried to make a high, it didn't do it. Confirmation number 3, price structure wise is moving high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, boom, boom. And confirmation number 4, price needs to retest these lows. So this is 40 pip TP. $8.45. We have a solid 15 minutes before this candle closes. I just wonder if, like, because I've seen gold do this before. I wonder if gold is just going to melt in the last like 5 minutes of the 4-hour candle. I feel like it's going to do that. Like it does that sometimes. Gold does that. What time do you need me to be there? Oh man, I have so much to do this week. Boom, 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 boom. Damn you, autocorrect. Okay. Do not sell. Nah, we gotta wait. We gotta wait, guys. We gotta wait for the candle to close. If this thing just melts, then it just melts. But we have to wait. All this herky jerky movement, the daily testing back and forth, like setups like that, guys. You gotta wait. Trust me. It looks like. Don't think you're gonna miss a move. It's not. There's always another setup. Don't feel like, oh my God, I'm gonna miss it if I don't jump in. Just wait. Promise you. Just wait. Just wait. Okay, just wait. It's okay. Because like I said, it's how the 4-hour closes, right? We wanted it to close up here. We wanted a closure up here so we can look for the buy continuations. But look at that long, let me take this off so you guys can see. Look at that long rejection wick. How many pips is this wick? Almost a 50 pip wick, guys. Almost 50 pips off that wick. That is huge. Okay, and then again, I'll do it again so you guys can see. Fib, high, low. We rejected off the 61, negative 27 TP area. Okay, we may not continue up because we can't even break this level. Look how many times we tried. We tried here, tried here, tried here, and tried here. So we need that closure. If you don't get that 4-hour closure above this area, guys, don't look for buys yet. Do not look for the buys. You need to wait for those confirmations. You don't see a buy, don't get in. That's it. I mean, I'm sorry, you don't see a closure, don't get in for the buy. Okay? So let's be patient. We only have 12 minutes, 11 minutes and 31 seconds before this 4-hour closure candle closes. How it closes is going to tell us everything. What I don't want is for it to close like right here, or, you know what I'm saying, like play around on the daily, because now it's like, come on, you know what I'm saying? I really want to see a definitive either close below, next candle leaves a top wick and starts coming down, or it closes above, we leave a bottom wick and we start pushing up. That's what I want to see. So let's hope gold doesn't do that to us today. So missing a lot of comments here. Sorry, guys. In my opinion, gold and dollar doing the same recently since the bank issue, and money looks bearish at the moment. Am I in? I'm not in anything. I'm not in nothing right now. Thank you, Trey. You guys go read Trey's comment. Dang, everybody's messing up my name today. Y'all just don't like me, huh? I mean, it's only written at the bottom of the screen right here. I don't know how you mess up my name. I don't know. Maybe it's autocorrect on your phones, I guess. I don't know. What's US30 doing? I need US30 to come up a little bit more. Come up just a little bit more for me. Let me see something real quick. Yeah, this is not enough. I need to push a little bit more and tap into this area, and then you can come down and do what you want to do. Gold is definitely going to drop it like it's hot. We're going to see. How did the goddaughter baby photo shoot go? It went great. It went great. She was such a well-behaved baby. She did great. She did great. I can't wait to show you guys the pictures. She looks so adorable. She's my little peanut butter cup. So it went great. Charlene, are you still looking for homes? Yes. Look at US30. Beautiful downtrend. Yeah, we're looking for sells on US30. We have to find the right entry though. That's all. Gold market structure is bullish. I'm aware. Thank you very much. I'm well aware of that. I'd be careful with selling. Maybe okay. I think some of you guys are talking to each other in here. I don't think you're talking to me. I think you're talking to each other. Yeah. Where's my water? I didn't bring my water bottle over here. Shoot. I'll be right back, guys. Gotta go get my water. I thought I had it over here. Could have swore I brought it over here with me. Hmm. US30 is good for cells. Oop. Gonna get, all right, 5 minutes until closure here, and then we can have some fun. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. And 20 pips. So AU is moving down nicely here. I thought it was gonna pull back a little more, but it looks like it's not at this point. She's trying to push all the way down. But this, 15 pip, what you call it. We are coming down. There she goes. Yep. See what I said, guys? Watching the last 5 minutes, US30 gold just dumps. I've seen that happen. Literally the last 5 minutes, the last like 2-3 minutes of a candle, you just see a melt like out of nowhere. It's, yeah, gold can be sometimes. But this is coming down. This is a nice strong close here. This should come down. It already retested this candle. This should continue down here. It should continue down. AE is moving down nicely as well. But AU is small. It's a small range with AU. AU is too small a range to take. US30 cells should play out nice here. I don't think it's going to pull up anymore. But we're going to wait. It's about to be some volume here, so we're going to wait and see. And then with gold, gold should come down here. Short position. Boom. Something like that. I'm not in any of these trades though, guys. I'm not in these trades. Do we short now? Nope. You do whatever you want right now. I'm not telling you whether to buy or to sell. You do whatever you want. And I don't like the volume right now either. This how I was acting yesterday. Yesterday I was giving this stupid volume yesterday. I don't like this week so far, I ain't gonna lie. Last week was a lot more fruitful than this week is starting out to be. Weird, everything is selling. It's not weird. It happens sometimes. Be like that sometimes. I did hear that statistically though, the market buys a lot more than it sells. So I don't know how true that is, but let's see. Did baby girl do well during the photo shoot? She did excellent. She did excelente. She did so great. So great. Because I used to wonder, like, how do they get the babies to sit so still and calm and look all... And yeah, she was knocked out majority of the time. She got fed and she would go right back to sleep, and we would, you know, soothe her and stuff and make her relax, and she did great. She didn't cry a lot. She didn't fuss. Just a beautiful baby girl. Just beautiful baby girl. Those pictures are going to be amazing when they come out. Just amazing. So... we took a little one of her sitting on the couch. She had a little laptop, little Apple laptop in her hand. Gonna have that baby catching pips in no time. Gonna have her catching pips in no time. She's gonna be in pre-K in the sandbox talking about TP hit, guys. TP hit. You'll be like, what's this girl talking about? She's gonna be rich before she turns 12. I'm so in love with that little girl. Her and her sister. Beautiful baby girls. Beautiful girls. Kids are blessings, man. They really, truly are. They bring so much joy to your life sometimes. It's amazing. So, Charlene, you need a baby ASAP? I do. I just can't find anybody who wants to go half with me on a baby. It's tough these days, you know? Nobody wants to go half with me on a baby. I don't understand it. I think I have cooties or something. I don't know. What do you guys think? I got cooties? I don't know. Baby pimps? Yeah. Baby pimps, baby. She was analyzing US30 yesterday while she was getting her picture taken. Yeah. Well, it's 9 o'clock. We got some volume here. We closed below the daily level here, and it looks like we're coming down. We are coming down. It's okay, Charlene. Someone will soon. The clock is ticking. The bomb is ticking away. It's about to explode in a second here. So I don't know. I don't have cooties. God just ain't give you any type of man. Man, at this point, it's getting hopeless. I ain't gonna lie. At this point, it's getting pretty hopeless. Yeah. Trying to keep the faith, you know, trying to stay positive, that's all. Trying to stay positive. That's all you can do, you know. When life gets tough, gets hard on you, you can either crawl under a rock and cry, or you can keep your faith. You can keep your head up and stay positive and keep on hoping for the best, you know. That's all you can do. Have a baby by me, baby. Be a billionaire. Have a baby by me, baby. Be a billionaire. I'm your guy, my queen. Where do you want me? It's so sweet. Aww. I don't know. It's tough, guys. It's tough. It's tough. I don't know. I think, honestly, I think the one I was supposed to be with just got away. You know, when you go through life, you feel like even when you're married or you're with somebody, you feel like sometimes the one you should have been with probably got away. So now you feel like you gotta just settle for anybody. You gotta just, all right, let me just, whatever, just to say I have somebody. Some people are like that, you know, where they feel like they have to just, you know what, the perfect person doesn't exist. But my thing is, the perfect person does exist. It's the perfect person for you. You know, it has to be the perfect person for you. And I feel like there's somebody for everybody out there. But I think mine got hit by a car or some shit. I don't know. So maybe, I don't know. We'll see. We have an 11-month girl, and I'm 44. Tony, I will say this. There are not a lot of men out there at your age that are willing to have children. So you are a rare breed. A very rare breed. Women, we have that maternal, you know, instinct in us. You know, we'll have kids until we're 50. But men on the other end, you guys, yeah. Yeah, so. Yeah, I think my guy got hit by a car. I think, yeah. That's what I think. In due time, your baby's gonna be lit. Hey, fixing the cars for me. We'll see. I don't know. Maybe that's why God blessed me with so many God kids, because he's like, I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna have any, so I gotta enjoy my family's kids for now. TP hit on goal, got the bag. Congrats, congrats. Yeah. I love her so much. She lights up my day. Oh, I know she does. I know your baby girl does. And you're a girl dad too. You know, fathers have a different type of love for their daughters, you know. So that's a beautiful thing. Beautiful thing. So yeah, guys, gold stayed below this area here, and we pushed. The problem is we got a strong close here, a very nice retest of that candle and a break, and then price came right on down. So let's see. Gold is approaching an order block. Yeah. Hit by a car is crazy. Yeah, because where he at? You know, he's late. He's past late. You know? Look at that nice tap of this area. Beautiful tap. How many pips was this? This was 20-something pips, right? Oh, my bad. 60 pips. Damn, guys, look at that rejection. And this is a 4-hour candle open. We are only 6 minutes into a 4-hour candle. And look at the size. This candle is bigger than this candle and that candle. In 6 minutes. That is crazy. That's crazy. In 6 minutes, we did that. So this better be a deep retest for price to recheck and come back up. Because if it doesn't, then guess what? We're coming down. Because if it follows the fib that we have here from high to low, rejection of the 61, and they push all the way down to the negative 27, which would be down here somewhere. I think we're coming down, guys, because we can't break this area. How many times do we try to break it and we can't break it? We are coming down. Ice, baby. Do 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 do. So what I want to see, guys, is a retracement, a pullback, and then I'll take a sell. Because I don't see gold. I don't see gold going bullish anymore. Let me see what US30 is doing. Taking a nap. AU is slowly moving down. Yeah, guys. Let's see here. See how strong this candle was? Nice and bullish. Could we be coming down some more? Could we come down? See, this retracement makes sense, but so does this one. 61 retracement. I still see buys on gold. I don't know what it is, guys. I still see buys. I can't see the sells right now. I can't see the sells. I feel like gold is gonna buy. It's still gonna buy. Because we rejected the 61 right here. And I gotta go to Home Depot today. This is getting ridiculous. I'm going to Home Depot right after I'm done here. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Bullshit. My bad, guys. Damn. I hate going to Home Depot. Everybody's seeing sells on gold continuing, but it's what was I gonna say? It's probably not gonna do that until tomorrow, CPI. I think it's gonna do it for CPI tomorrow. to which I'm not going to be trading that tomorrow. I ain't touching CPI tomorrow. I will be watching. I will be a bystander, just like some of y'all, because accounts are going to be getting blown tomorrow. I already sent the email, my friend. I sent the email, my friend. Oops. Let's go here. Oh. Hey. Love it, love it, love it. Gotcha. Oh, what time did that happen? This was at... oh, almost an hour. Okay, I'll take care of that later. I wonder if gold is going to buy now. Could the sells be completed and the buys take over? Just that rejection off the 4 hour was nasty. That was a nasty rejection. Yeah, I need some more likes, but I could ask for the likes till I'm blue in the face, but you know, what are you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? I don't know. I like buys from this area only because this was a very steep drop here. Very steep drop. Where did we take our initial sells? From here? I think we took sells from up here earlier. And then it played around right here. And it continued. It played around some more, waked up. This was the daily level. It played around some more before it finally melted right at 850, 855 in the last 5 minutes of the candle. Gone. I can't tell you guys how many times I've seen gold do that. I'm not even surprised that it did that. I really still, you shouldn't marry your bias, guys, because you have to go with what the market is telling you, but I feel so strongly about the bias. I'm willing to take the L if I'm wrong, because look at this structure. I mean, Christ's sake, you know, I don't know. I just feel like we should continue up here. If we break this area right here, then obviously you can't look for any more buys because we've completely broken that 1 hour structure. But if we hold this area here, we could continue up. I just don't like the fact that we rejected off the 61 on the daily time frame, because that's a self-influence, a self-confirmation, however you want to say it. So I don't know. I just don't like this week so far. because last week was much better. Last week was beautiful. I was on a whole win streak last week, and now it's, you know, nonsense. So yeah, I'm in buys too. I'm in gold buys as well. We shall see. He was coming down. He's moving so slow. Jesus Christ. Moving slower than molasses. US30 took a smoke break. US30 took a smoke break. US30 is like, wake me up at 9:30. 9:30 is a wake up call for US30. What a day so far, guys. What a day. US30 at 9:30 dropping, in my opinion. That's what we want to see. It didn't even move at 9 o'clock, which is odd. I was expecting some type of movement at 9 o'clock, but in about 9 minutes, we'll see what US30 wants to do. But I am seeing the sells on US30. I am seeing sells as well. So let me see the 4 hour. Yeah. And see the sells playing out. Now this 4 hour candle on US30 is concerning here. It didn't do much of anything. Look at this one, this one, this one. This was, oh, okay, London session. They pushed that London session, and then nothing after that. Yeah, tomorrow's going to be interesting. CPI will be interesting. It's going to be interesting tomorrow. Very, very interesting. Charlene, somebody said disconnect the live since folks don't value what you are doing for the community. Soon there will be a thing where if you don't like a stream after 10 minutes, you get chucked out. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay, guys. I don't mind it. If people want to like, they'll like. If they don't, they don't. It's okay. A few bad apples shouldn't spoil the bunch. Yeah, it's okay. But the private live sessions will come back pretty soon. They will come back. I'm just trying to figure out when I want to do it because I have a lot going on in the next few weeks. That's why I haven't talked about it much. Because here's the thing. When I do the free sessions on YouTube, I could do them whenever. I could come on, I could not come on, you know. I'm not really obligated to do it. But when I do the private sessions, those are paid members, so I don't really have a choice. I have to do them when I say I'm going to do them. So I'm trying to figure out how I want to do that. So we'll see, but they're going to come back soon. Because, you know, I got to take a break sometimes, you know. I can't keep on doing it every day. I will say this, when I'm trading by myself sometimes, like if I'm in bed trading on my laptop or chilling by myself, sometimes I do a lot better than I do on my live sessions because I'm not having to explain anything to anybody. I'm not having to, you know, I'm not distracted by, you know, questions or side conversations. I'm a lot more, you know, focused and chill. You know, it's just, psychology is different. You know, when I'm on here, I'm under pressure to make sure my analysis is right, to make sure I win more than I lose on here with you guys. I have to, you know, keep you guys entertained in some kind of way, telling you guys funny stories or cracking jokes or, you know, having motivational conversations or whatnot. So it's a lot less work for me, you know, when I'm doing it alone. But at the same time, sometimes it's fun. I will say that. Some of you guys, you know, you guys motivate me just as much as I motivate you at times. You know what I'm saying? So I don't mind it. Sometimes I don't mind it. And what I've noticed over time is that a lot of the trolls have disappeared. They've left. I've kicked a lot of people out. So the conversations are a lot more positive. They're a lot more, you know, fun and stuff like that now. So it's not as, the vibes are much better, I would say. The vibes are just much better. So, but all in all, I still need a break every once in a while. So we'll see. So, but I'm not gonna stop it for a couple people. I'm not gonna do that. I've gotten better with that. So you guys are fine. All will be well in the universe. No fret, don't fret. Don't fret. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing gonna be alright. Mentoring is hard. I'm trying to teach this kid now. It's like pulling teeth. I can't imagine. Why can't I trade US30? I don't know. Maybe your broker doesn't offer it. I don't know. Maybe your broker doesn't offer it. But my broker, HANKOTRADE, that you guys see here with the link in the description box, best broker out there. I can say hands down. You know? Get my withdrawals when I deposit. I mean, I haven't deposited in a while, but when I did deposit, it was fast. Customer service is great. I mean, spreads are nice, commissions are low, swap fees low. You can't really beat that. You know what I'm saying? So sign up with my broker, guys. If you guys support your trading, you support what you're doing, you trust in the things that I say, just know I would never lead you guys in the wrong direction. if I ever had a bad experience with any product that I use, I'm definitely not going to be promoting it, because anything that I endorse, anything that I promote, anything that I co-sign on has my name behind it, has my brand behind it. So I'm not going to tell you guys, hey, go over to this thing and use this or do that if I didn't try it or I didn't experience it. You know, I had a prop firm approach me not too long ago. I never even heard of that prop firm before. All these prop firms popping up everywhere. I never even heard of them. But a prop firm approached me and they're like, hey, we'll give you a free, fully funded account. I think it was like a 200K, whatever. If you trade this account, you know, you're immediately funded. Just promote us and tell people to use us and use this affiliate link, and we'll give your people 10% off their challenges, this and that, this and that. And I'm like, you know, yeah, no, because I don't know you guys. I don't know anything about your company. I've never heard of you guys before. No, why would I just sign up with you guys and I don't even know who you are? So I was like, you know, let me do my research. I always do my homework. And this is before I even respond to them. You know, I'm looking at it. I'm like, okay, I never heard of them before. They're not really out there like that, which is okay. It's not a big deal. But let me do some research. Let me go read some reviews. Let me this, let me that. Guys, scam, 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 scam. That's all I saw. Everything I looked up, I'm not going to say the name of the prop firm. I don't even remember the name, but scam, 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 scam. But no one got paid out. Their trades weren't, you know, taken properly. It was just a crap show, just a big crap show. And I was like, wow. So I'm never going to push something or promote something to you guys that I have not done my homework on or don't personally use. If I don't use it and I don't have any kind of real experience or anything with it, nah, I don't care. You could pay me $1 million. I don't care. I'm not going to do it because it could really mess you up. It really could. I think Kim Kardashian did a what's it? A promotion for some Bitcoin company, something that was promoting some type of crypto thing, and people got scammed. They scammed a lot of people out of it, and she got sued. She got sued for a lot of money, and she ended up just settling it. Pay, you know, she has enough money, so just settle the damn thing, pay people out. But now she has a big enough name where that's not gonna affect her too much. But if that was anyone else, that's gonna affect you some kind of way. You know what I mean? It's gonna affect your name. People aren't gonna trust you as much anymore if they go with something that they have a bad experience with. And you're not gonna make everybody happy. You know, it wasn't Funny Talent. That wasn't the company. Funny Talent had been shut down. It wasn't them. It's every company is not gonna make everybody happy. You know, you can go to McDonald's and McDonald's is great, whatever, and you know, one person is happy with McDonald's, the other person said, oh, my fries were cold, you know, or they took too long with my order, or they messed up my order. You know, you're not going to please everybody. Everyone's not going to have the same experience with everything, but at the same time, you gotta be okay with yourself to know, like, okay, I'm not doing wrong by people by telling them to go get this product or go use this service or check this thing out or that thing out. You know what I'm saying? I'm always going to give you guys, you know, the best information that I can to my knowledge. Okay. The more this grows, the more knuckleheads we have in the chat. This is crazy. I gotta kick people out of here. What's going on here? Come on, people. Stop it. Enough already. Enough. Hey, US30. Yes, baby. Coming on down. Let's go. Let's go. Finally woke up. Finally joined the party. Join the party. I don't even remember the name. I will have to look into my DMs, which I probably don't even have. I probably deleted it. But it was a scammy company. Scammy, 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 scammy. I don't think I read any good reviews about that company. Everything was bad. Everything was bad. Hey, you just been moving so slow this week. What? Golly. Come on, Gold. I just need you to fly, fly, fly. Fly, fly, fly for me. Fly, fly, fly. I don't remember the name of the platform. Sorry, guys. I don't remember the name. It was a while ago. It was a while ago. No, I don't use EMAs. Sorry. Nope, I don't sell signals. Sorry. I wanted more of a pullback. Now we're getting it. But it better stay its butt down this way. I love that you have many new people watching your live on a daily basis, Charlene, that you get asked all the general questions over and over. You feel my pain, right, Jazzy? Feel my pain. But I welcome everybody. I welcome everybody. I would love to hit 2,000 one day. That would be awesome. Can you imagine? 2,000 people watching? That's insane. That's insane. 1,000 people, 500 people watching is insane. You know? Now, most we've ever had on the live, and I know because I wrote it down, was 1,200. That's the most we've ever had watching on the live. No, it was 13. I'm sorry. 1,300. 13. That's the most we've ever had. I come from Africa. Any company in your country you can recommend for online jobs. I have skills, lack capital to fund my account. You need to go online and do your own research, my friend. You know how many companies there are in the world? Come on. US30, we hit stop loss. We didn't hit anything. You hit stop loss. We didn't hit anything. Nobody should be using we on this live, because what you do is what you do. That's not what you do. You know what I'm saying? There's no we in here. It's all you. You and you. You're the one that controls your trading account. So if you hit, stop loss was hit, your stop loss was hit. You're out here making this look so easy. Already got a nice TP hit from the previous gold trade we took, and now I'm just taking knowledge. Very good, very good. I love the people that have the discipline not to overtrade, not to go crazy. Just make your money for the day and be done. You know, close off your session, you made your money, come back tomorrow and do it again. You know what I'm saying? Wash, rinse, repeat. Wash, rinse, repeat. That's it. Enjoy the rest of your day. I don't know what GLGT stands for, but thank you. You too. CPI tomorrow. Gold is paying summer. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I have a feeling the markets are acting as stupid as they're acting because of CPI tomorrow. Because it's CPI week. But it's, because you know what? NFP week used to be top dog, right? NFP used to be, you know, the big boss on the block. Now, NFP is like trash news. It's garbage, you know? And now CPI has taken over. And now the week of CPI is now, you know, the one that you need to be worried about. So it kind of did like a flip-flop in a sense. So I don't know. We'll see. If today, like I'm in these gold buys and gold just refuses to go up here. If I get stopped out again on gold today, like I did yesterday, I'm not gonna trade. I'm probably not gonna trade tomorrow. I might trade Thursday and Friday. We'll see. But I can already see that this week is not panning out. It's not. My win streak was broken yesterday, which really sucks, but it's okay. You live to trade another day. But you have to know when to trade and when to not. You really do, because if you don't, you're gonna shoot yourself in the foot. You know, when the market is giving you signs telling you, hey, I'm not feeling right today, I'm not feeling it today, you gotta know when to sit on your hands. You have to, because if not, you're gonna find yourself, you know, taking more losses than necessary, you know? So we'll see. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing gonna be alright. Yeah. Oof. Nope. No sells on US30 right now. US30 said nope. No thank you. I ain't ready for that yet. US30 is not about that life yet. US30 needs to stay below this area for the sells to be valid. If it doesn't, we're going to push up. Yeah, gold is moving up nicely here finally. Only took 10 years. Only took 10 years, but we got it. Finally got it pushing here. But remember, guys, this was the daily level here. We weren't able to maintain. This is probably a retest. Unless we break these highs, the buys are not that strong. Okay, price lingered up here. We failed to make new highs. So I don't know if this is going to break and continue up. I already took profit. I'm not even in this trade anymore. I closed out. I closed out about 45 seconds ago. So, because we had this drop here, this is a nice retest of this drop. Okay, we bust out the fib. Nice 61% retest of this area, and price could come could come down. The problem is on the higher time frame is bullish, lower time frame is bearish. That's the time that I hate trading because I never really know what the market is going to do. So I don't hold my positions for too long in any direction. I was in the sells, I took profit on the sells. I was in buys, I took profit on the buys because I just was not sure. I'm not confident to hold my moves because I'm just not sure what the market. There's no definitive direction for the market for me in my eyes. To another trader, it might be definitive. For me, it's not. You know what I'm saying? We were in the sells, I took profit. Buys, took profit because I don't know if we're going to fly. I don't know if we're going to drop. So this week is just ain't it for me. It ain't it, you know. So I got one little win here, one little win here. I'm good. I'm good with that. I would like to take one more setup if I could. But we'll see. We'll see. I already have two setups for the day. We'll see if that's it. I'm just being very selective with my setups this week because it's not a good week to trade. It's just not. I can already tell. And I may not even trade tomorrow because of CPI. Oh, and tomorrow we're not going to start until what time is CPI? 8:30. We're going to start at 8 o'clock tomorrow. We're going to start at 8 o'clock tomorrow. Okay, guys? I'll put it on my Instagram story so you guys know. Because the markets ain't going to do much before that. So I don't want to sit here for an hour twiddling our thumbs because I don't see that. I don't see the market doing much before then. So we're going to start at 8 o'clock sharp. Mañana. Okay. So. Head and shoulders on M15 is coming down. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Yeah. But what's really telling me that the market may not break this zone here is because we weren't able to do that there. 6. Only 28 pips. That's the only reason why. Because we weren't able to hold that daily level. Just took a gold sell. Why? Why are you taking sell? It's not ready to sell yet. It's not ready to sell. No sells. No sells. You're not ready to sell yet. Not ready to sell. Yeah, you guys got to be more patient. Wait for candles to be pushing in your direction before you take a trade. Guys, it's very risky taking a trade against, like, come on, guys. Very, very risky doing that. You know? I have to wait. Don't think you're going to miss it. Don't try to get wick entries all the time. Sometimes you will get a wick entry, but sometimes you won't. You know, those aren't easy entries. Trust me. You know, and sometimes it looks like someone got a wick entry. They just got in when the market was pumping, and then it retraced and left the wick. And oh, they got a wick entry. Doesn't mean it was a wick entry. You know, guys. No, guys. Okay. Be careful with that. Wait until you see it. Wait for candle closures, guys. Those are going to be your best confirmations. Waiting on candle closures. Jumping in a candle while it's pumping, especially if the candle is printing against your trade. Talk about anxiety. Talk about your heart beating out of your chest with that drawdown, especially on gold. Nah, you can do that on GU, on AU, pairs like US30, golds. That's not the pairs you want to be playing around with like that. That's not the pairs you want to be messing with, guys. Let me tell you. Not doing stuff like that. Wait on your candle closures. Please, please, and please. Look at that 4-hour rejection. Jesus Christ. Rejected on the high and the low. Yay. Gold is on something right now. All those sells, and then the buyers just took over. If this thing breaks this daily high, I'm jumping in for the buy. I don't care, because that's what I wanted before. If that breaks and it's 9:52, it's about to be an hour candle closure above that area, I'm taking that damn buy. Because that was the setup we wanted all along. After this move played out, this one breaks, we're gonna fly. Oh, should have held my damn buys. Trusted my overall analysis. Two minutes. God, today was a crappy day. I ain't gonna lie. Today was a crappy day. Didn't hold my sells. Sells played out crazy. Didn't hold my buys. Now buys want to play. This is nuts. Used to be peanut butter and jelly catching 20, 30, 40 pips. Like, bro. But it's just a week. Just a week, that's all. It's just a week. Man, isn't a minute, 2 minutes so long when you're waiting for a candle to close? Or you're waiting for a TP to get hit or something? Isn't that crazy? I gotta wait for this candle to close. I can't enter while it's pushing. I have to wait for the closure. I have to wait a whole minute. Only time a minute takes forever, a lifetime, is when you're on the charts and when you're hungry as hell and you're waiting for your food to come out the microwave. That's the only time it takes forever. Any other time, easy. God damn it. Oh my God, what a day. I should have held my buys. I should have held. Because a 4-hour daily and a 4-hour were bullish. If this thing closes below when this thing closes, oh my God, are you kidding me? Wow. Wow. Are you going to close above? Or are you going to close below? 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Next candle. Flip bullish. You flip bullish and you break this high, I'll jump in. If not, I'm not. This will be my last trade for the day. I need you to flip bullish. If you don't flip bullish, that's it. Just teasing that area. Doesn't know what it wants to do. It's just a coincidence it's playing around at the daily level or what? Just a coincidence. Two minutes. Let's see. We're at 10 o'clock close. Come on, come on. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. God, why didn't it close stronger? It's just sitting right at that zone. Push a little more. Get up there. Damn. Come on, come on. 5, 4. All right. Damn. Come on. You can do it. Push, push. Stay above, stay above. You gonna stay above or no? Cancel aroma order. I did cancel it. I didn't cancel the order. Good morning. I hope you all are having a blessed day. Sixth birthday party. Come out and celebrate. Wednesday Adams. May 27th. What day is that? Saturday. May 27th. May 27th. Layla's B-Day party at 1 p.m. You know you're getting old when you have to put everything in your phone to remind you of stuff. Clock alert. 1 week before. Second alert is 1 day. Every month is a birthday. Every month is something. Somebody has something going on. Sky Park. Bring extra clothes and more not fun in case you hope they can make it. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Birthday parties. Kids' birthday parties. You're welcome. Okay, what's happening here on gold? I don't know, guys. I don't know. US30. Even AU is not. Oh my God. US30 shot up way past this area here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna move this because I don't even think that's valid anymore. Let me see. US30 on the 4 hour. Well, we did get a retracement there. It's back at that same zone again. It's back at that same area again. So I don't know. I think I'm done for the day, guys. I don't know. The market is all over the place today. CPI week. This ain't it. A lot of comments here. Yes, 30 was a good move. Gold is crazy today. Yeah, the buys and the sells are just out of control today. I don't know. There's no it's a clear direction, but if you can really look at it from both ends, from both points of view, honestly. So Gold has to retrace bearish to collect buy orders, trap sellers. I don't know. You rock, Charlene. Love from Greece. Yes, yes, yes. Charlene, one time do a trip to Europe. Oh yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming to Europe. I already got that planned. I'm coming. Don't worry, I'll be there shortly. I already got that planned. When you come into the UK, very soon, very soon, very soon. Very, very soon. Well, I don't know, guys. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I don't really feel like sitting in front of the charts anymore. I'm not confident about any of these setups. I'm just not feeling the charts right now, honestly. I'm really not. Price keeps on lingering here. It doesn't want to break down or push and stay up. I don't like what I'm seeing. I don't know if it's just a lack of patience right now. We've been sitting here for 2.5 hours. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. You know what? I'm done. I'm not going to force it. I'm not going to sit here and wait. I'm not going to force it. I'm not taking any more trades today. That's it. Whatever happens, happens. I'm not playing with the markets this week. I don't know. I don't like it. All right, guys. I'm going to wrap it up here. I'm done. I'll be back on tomorrow, 8 o'clock. Okay. CPI is at 8:30. So we'll be on at 8 o'clock tomorrow. And then we'll see if we can find something after CPI. But if not, again, I'm not going to force anything because this week has been absolute garbage on the markets, on the charts. All right, guys, y'all be good. Good wins. Those of you that won on gold today, the buys and the sells, good job on those. Just be careful. Be careful, guys, because these markets are not playing with people this week. It's a lot of up and down movement. US30 pushed up, you know, a bunch of nonsense on these pairs. So just be careful if you're going to continue trading. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, y'all be good. If you missed anything today, just rewatch it. Everything is here. All my information also from my broker, my course, everything is in the description box below. But with that said, I will end it here. I love you guys always, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Y'all be good, and later.